I guess I could use a little bit more up on this side here.
Okay. Here, you take your brush.
Mm-hmm. Just dip it in there.
Yeah, take your brush and dip it in. Here, let me help you out a little bit. Let me get out of this pan. Where you at?
Yeah, there, and I think up here a little bit more.
Okay. Let me help you. Get it moving a little bit.
And then probably inside the bread box a little bit more. I guess it don't matter.
Okay, I need since we got this, I'm gonna go ahead and do that up top.
Okay. What you doing over there, huh?
I'm not gonna use as much as I do on the other one. Use a smaller amount. It's still a little darker than I wanted it, but it's, you know, and you can always change it if you. And that's the good part about it. If you don't like it, tough. I mean, you can always change it.
You say tough.
No, I thought tough. Did I say it? No, I gotta take my medicine. When I don't take my medicine, it just comes right up.
You can roll the tape back if you want.
Oh yeah, I believe you. I believe you. See, and that's the key too, because see how the little bit of gray can overpower everything.
Mm-hmm.
So when I went back with the strip, I should have just kept that one fast strip going and just kept on going, just kept on. But that's okay, because this is a unique top. And guess what? If it's too gray, then guess what? We can mix up another batch right on top, just sand it down, and then put another batch in there that's more like a little translucent. Not completely, not heavy with the paint. Sure. You know what I mean? And then what you can do, you can paint, you can put your paint down, you can mix a little bit with some paint in it and go over it, and then do it again, and then let it come through, and then it will make the gray more subtle. It's a lot of different ways to do it, but you know, it's a learning process, and if it turns out really, really good, you want to take the credit, but honestly, man. You know,
delete the video.
We'll see what happens here. Thing one more time. So we make sure we got all the air out of it.
That takes care.
Well, that's a pretty piece, man.
That is nice.
That's a pretty piece right there.
That's beautiful.
All right, you outdid yourself on that one, young fella. Nah. Wow. So that's your iPhone.
Uh-huh.
Man, y'all need gadgets.